People have been telling ADHD brains that they have short attention span since roughly 1987. This is the wrong diagnosis of the right symptom. Your attention is not short. You know that. You can spend 6 hours reading about a historical event you had no intention of looking up for. You can watch an entire documentary series in one sitting when the plan was to just watch one episode. You can hyper-focus on one single problem till everyone around you has gone to bed and the sky has changed color twice. The attention, it's there. The capacity isn't the issue. The issue is steering. Neurotypical attention can be deliberately aimed. They say, I will now focus on the meeting, and then held on target. Our ADHD brains steer toward high-stimulus environments automatically. You don't choose what you hyper-focus on. It chooses you. That's our Wikipedia page about the geopolitics of the 13th century Venice at 2 a.m. Yep, that's fine. But when it's supposed to be a client proposal that's due at 9 a.m., nope, it's not fine. From the home screen, tap the Goldfish button. You'll see it asking you, which task are we doing? This comes from your project's Goldfish queue, the micro tasks you've built in CEO mode. Each one 5 minutes or less. Select one. What happens next is the whole point. The screen goes to one thing, that is and a timer, nothing else. No home button, no navigation, no other lists of tasks visible. The app is, on purpose, a different app in this mode. Everything that was on the home screen has been removed. Here's the theory. Your attention will go somewhere. Goldfish mode makes it your attention isn't fighting anything. There is nothing to fight. During the task, 2 things are available to you. First, the note panel. If something occurred to you mid-task, a related thought maybe, a thing to maybe look up later, tap the note panel and capture it there. It saves the task. You don't have to hold it in your head. Second, the search button. If you need to look something up as a part of the task, it opens the search without leaving Goldfish mode in just one tab. Both tools exist there so you don't have to break the isolation to get what you need. When you complete a task, Goldfish mode gives you a waypoint, a prompt to log what you did, or optionally share your progress and see your streak. Then it returns you to the queue. You choose the next task, or you exit. That's the loop. The compounding effect happens here. Small completions builds momentum. Each finished task closes a loop. Your brain gets the completion signal it's been waiting for. The full neuroscience, the hyper-focus mechanism, the task initiation failure model, and why isolation is the correct engineering response to both is in the Zalfol method article for Goldfish mode. As usual, linked in description. Next, it's gonna be tutorial 6, minor mode, for when Goldfish mode is impossible because your brain has gone underground. Subscribe. I'll see you there.